Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook, yeah, whoa. Kids Can Cook, get ready for the show.
Welcome back to Kids Can Cook, where it's raining tacos. I'm Chef D, and today we have a special treat for you. We're gonna be making Caesar chicken salad taco bowls. Stay tuned. In my years in culinary school and after, children's nutrition remained close to my heart. I envisioned equipping children with the necessary skills to whip up healthy and tasty meals. Families would bond over the process and kids would be inspired to fall in love with healthy, home-based meals and the food industry in general. After much research and dedication, I created the Kids Can Cook University. This is a monthly subscription that includes an infographic lesson, 4 recipes on that month's cooking method, 4 vocabulary cards, a short story, and access to exclusive one-on-one cooking videos teaching the recipes in the subscription. Each month focuses on a specific cooking method, the same classical techniques I learned in culinary school. Parents, I guarantee your children will love this. Get ready for some adventure and sign up for your subscription today at kidscancook.org. Let's talk about our ingredients. We have chicken breast that's been cubed. We have croutons. We have minced garlic, Parmesan cheese, Caesar salad dressing, romaine lettuce, and we have taco bowls, not to mention our salt and pepper. Let's get to it. In a screaming hot skillet, I'm gonna make sure I oil it up, and I'm gonna drop my chicken right inside to get going. Woo, that is hot. Hit this with some pepper. Some salt. And begin to work my magic. I'm going to saute this chicken up. It's good to cut your chicken very thin so that you can make this in a very quick time. After about 2 or 3 minutes of cooking, we want to go ahead and add our minced garlic. It's gonna give it a really good shot of flavor. If you're in the market for something new and exciting to watch as a family, then we've got just the thing for you. The Kids Can Cook Show. As the name suggests, it features children preparing different delicious dishes. Come along with me as I pair off with a new student each week, where we cook a new recipe together. The recipes constitute fresh ideas and out-of-the-box approaches to preparing meals, and our goal is to build children's creativity. Additionally, the weekly episodes will not only be educational for children, but there'll be lots of fun for the whole family too. Kids watching the show get to enjoy a good time while learning new skills and gaining new knowledge. Make sure you check out our website, kidscancook.org, and follow us on all of our social media handles to find out where you can catch our show. You definitely don't want to miss this. Now that our chicken is finished sauteing, let's go ahead and combine everything in a bowl. We have our Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna put half now and half later. Croutons. Caesar dressing. Romaine lettuce. And we're gonna toss these ingredients together. Next, you're gonna get your taco bowl and you're gonna fill these bad boys up. Once you have it here, you're gonna finish it with some more of that delicious Parmesan cheese. And you have amazing Caesar chicken salad taco bowls for you and your friends.
Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook, yeah, whoa. Kids Can Cook, get ready for the show.
Hi